Vauxhall Connect is an innovative network service that gives emergency calling, live navigation, remote control features, and much more. You can experience Vauxhall Connect services anywhere via the My Vauxhall app. Download the app from Google Play or Apple stores by searching for My Vauxhall. Open the app. Log in to your My Vauxhall account using the same details you use for the My Vauxhall website and the Vauxhall Connect store. Then accept the terms and conditions. To get the most from the app, activate the service Vehicle Status and Information in the Vauxhall Connect store. For more details on how to do this, take a look at our How to Access Vauxhall Connect Services guide. Before using the My Vauxhall app, connect your smartphone with your vehicle via Bluetooth. In the My Vauxhall app, you'll find useful information about the status of your vehicle, such as mileage, fuel level, and average fuel consumption. The Vehicle Status and Information service can also notify you if any alerts appear for your vehicle. If you select a preferred servicing retailer in your My Vauxhall account, they will also receive these alerts. And when necessary, your chosen retailer will get in touch to set up a service appointment. Alternatively, you can book a service directly from the My Vauxhall app. From the app, you can also get information about your last trip, such as duration, distance, and fuel consumption, as well as information about the location of your vehicle. With the Guide to Car function, you can use the app to show you the way back to your parked car. To use this, first save the location of your vehicle by tapping on Set My Current Location. Then you can use the app to show you the way back to your parked car simply by tapping on the Guide to Car symbol. Did you know, with an active route guidance in your vehicle, the app offers you the last mile guidance from the parked position to the destination address. To check if last mile guidance is active, go to Menu, then Settings, and check if last mile guidance is activated in the map settings. After parking your vehicle, you can continue on foot whilst still using the app guidance.